Lesson 24. I lost my wallet. Hey, how's it going? Not good. I lost my wallet. Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen? No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi. Is there anything I can do? Can I borrow some money? Sure. How much do you need? About $50. That's no problem. Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday. That'll be fine. Here you are. What are you going to do now? I'm going to buy some books and then I'm going to the gas station. If you wait a minute, I can go with you. I'll wait for you. Lesson 25. Phone call at work. Hello. Hi. Is James there, please? Yes. Who's calling? Linda. One moment, please. Hello. Hi, James. It's Linda. Hi, Linda. What are you doing now? I'm working. Are you busy? Yes. It's been really busy here all day. What time do you get off of work? 8:30 p.m. I'll call you back after 8:30 p.m. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Lesson 26. Family trip. David, what have you been up to lately? I went on a trip with my family last week. Really? Where did you go? We went to Europe. What cities did you go to? London, Paris, and a few other smaller cities. Did you go to Berlin? No, we didn't go there. I'd like to go there next time. I think the summer is a good time to visit Berlin. It's a beautiful place and the people there are very nice. That's what I've heard. I went there last year. If you want, I can give you some information I have about the city. Thanks. Lesson 27. I went shopping. Sarah, what did you do today? I went shopping. Did you buy anything? Yes, I bought a few things. What did you buy? I bought this coat. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it? At the mall on 5th Street. Was it expensive? No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20. That's cheap. I know. It was a really good deal. I don't think you'll need to wear it for a while. It's been really hot lately.